Hey guys! Are you want to buy best automatic start kits to warm your car up fast? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best automatic start kits to warm your car up fast that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at StartX Remote Starter Kit. The StartX Remote Starter Kit offers a seamless way to start your vehicle remotely, ideal for those who want their car warmed up in winter or cooled down in summer before getting in. It's designed for specific vehicle models, ensuring compatibility and easy installation. The kit typically comes pre-assembled, reducing the need for extensive wiring or technical expertise, making it a great option even for those who aren't car-savvy. One of the standout features is the plug-and-play installation, which requires minimal tools and time, often less than an hour. The StartX kit uses your car's existing key fob, eliminating the need for additional remotes. It also maintains the factory settings, so you don't lose any existing functionalities. Performance-wise, the kit is reliable, offering a consistent range, though it's dependent on the car's key fob capabilities. The kit is also backed by solid customer support and a warranty, ensuring peace of mind. In summary, the StartX Remote Starter Kit is a convenient, user-friendly solution that enhances your driving experience without the hassle of complex installations. Now our second product is Compuster Remote Start. Compuster Remote Start is an excellent choice for enhancing your vehicle's convenience and security. One of its main benefits is its impressive range, allowing you to start your car from up to 3 miles away, perfect for warming up or cooling down your vehicle before you get in. This feature is particularly useful in extreme weather conditions, ensuring your car's interior is comfortable when you need it. Compuster systems are known for their reliability and ease of use. The intuitive interface and advanced technology make remote starting a breeze, even for those not particularly tech-savvy. Moreover, Compuster offers various models that integrate seamlessly with your car's existing security system, providing additional layers of protection against theft. Another compelling reason to choose Compuster is its compatibility with most vehicles, including older models, making it a versatile option. The system is also customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs, such as adding keyless entry or GPS tracking. In summary, Compuster Remote Start combines convenience, security, and reliability, making it a smart investment for any vehicle owner looking to upgrade their driving experience. Our third product is Carbist Automatic Start Kit. The Carbist Automatic Start Kit is a necessity for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's convenience and functionality. One of the primary reasons to consider this kit is its ability to start your car remotely, which is especially useful in extreme weather conditions. Whether it's a scorching summer day or a freezing winter morning, you can precondition your vehicle's interior to a comfortable temperature, ensuring a pleasant driving experience from the moment you step in. This kit also adds an extra layer of security, as it integrates with your car's existing alarm system, helping deter potential thefts. The Carbist Automatic Start Kit is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring a straightforward installation process and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. Additionally, its reliable performance ensures that your car starts consistently, even from a distance. For busy individuals, this kit saves time and adds convenience to their daily routine, making it a valuable upgrade for any car owner. Now number 4, Viper Remote Start System. The Viper Remote Start System is a top-tier option in the remote start market, known for its robust performance and advanced features. Viper, a well-respected brand in vehicle security and convenience, has built a reputation for reliability and innovation. One of the standout features of the Viper Remote Start System is its extensive range, offering up to a mile of coverage, which is ideal for starting your vehicle from a distance. The system also integrates keyless entry and optional security features, such as a two-way confirmation system that notifies you when your car has successfully started or if there's an issue. Performance-wise, the Viper system is highly dependable, with a quick response time and consistent operation in various weather conditions. Its design is sleek and modern, with a user-friendly interface that includes an LCD screen on higher-end models, providing real-time information. In conclusion, the Viper Remote Start system combines cutting-edge technology with a reliable performance that enhances both the convenience and security of your vehicle. It's a premium choice for those who value quality and functionality in their car accessories. And our last choice is Banvicar Keyless Entry Security Alarm System. The Banvicar Keyless Entry Security Alarm System is essential for enhancing your vehicle's security and convenience. One of the primary benefits is its ability to provide keyless entry, allowing you to lock and unlock your car with ease. This feature is particularly useful for busy individuals who need quick access to their vehicle without fumbling for keys. Security is another critical aspect of the Banvi system. It includes a robust alarm system that helps deter theft by alerting you to any unauthorized access attempts. This added layer of protection is invaluable in safeguarding your vehicle and its contents. Additionally, the system is designed for easy installation and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile choice. The remote control functionality allows you to control your car's locks from a distance, adding to its convenience. In summary, the Banvicar Keyless Entry Security Alarm System is a necessary upgrade for anyone looking to improve their vehicle's security and enhance daily convenience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.